If the early bird gets the worm, what about the night owl? Whether you're a night owl or a morning person, an early bird, these will work for you, but especially night owls, this is going to help you pass the struggle. So my night owls, have a start time for your day. So you get started at a reasonable time and you don't keep pushing that start time back when you're groggy. Create a morning routine. And this does not have to be something where it's very regimented and a lot of stuff that you're doing and high energy. A simple routine to ease into your day that you can do the same way every day. That will help your brain get into productive mode once that last step of the routine is done. And it's going to be so much easier for you to be productive if you've got a routine that happens beforehand that eases you into it. Plan your day the day before. Your brain is groggy and not at its highest working self early in the mornings. So while you are wrapping up the day before, when your brain is still active and making the best choices and seeing the whole picture, plan out what you need to do the next day. That way, the next day, you will be making good choices instead of easy choices. Remember, night owls, working at 2 a.m. is still working. You are still getting so much done. You're absolutely productive. Sometimes you're more productive than us early birds. Remember, it is okay to go slow. One small step at a time, you will absolutely reach your goals.